minutes out from Westport. It's supposed to be nice and sunny, but it's kind of gray. So hopefully we get some sun.
Road that goes up to authorized vehicles over. I don't know if we can get up there.
We walked all the way down that jetty to go find them. Oops. And they were like at the start of the jetty. Sun's finally out. I got my whole ass sweater and sweatpants on. Shame. Alright.
Not too fast, Batman! Not too fast! Yeah, Batman! Got one! Bring it in, Paul! Bring it in! Oh, damn! What the fuck is that?
What'd you say? Don't get it yet.
Too bad.